We have a huge range of security camera options available to us nowadays to protect our homes and protect our families. Today I'm going to show you one of those options. Hi, I'm Martin for the Best Buy blog, and I'm going to be reviewing the Defender 4K security system. It comes with four 4K cameras at 1TB DVR. I'll show you how to set it up and some of the options that'll help you get the most from this system. I suggest when you first get your system that you take out each of the pieces, get familiar with what they all are, what they all do. So there's the manual. Inside the box with the DVR, there's a little tiny box with the transformer for plugging it in, and one with a little mouse. Carefully unwrap the DVR. There's the front and the back. Once you finish with the DVR, unpack the cameras. You'll notice each one is carefully wrapped, and the base manipulates really easily so you can position it just by undoing the two little Phillips screws that are on the side. There are two wires coming off the camera. One's for power and one's for the actual video signal. There are the cables, which have the two lines of wire running with each one, and the power blocks so you can power each of the cameras. There's also an HDMI cable and an Ethernet cable that's included. So here are all the components. I didn't actually set them up within my main house. To the left here is a little house that's off from the main house, and that's where I set the system up. So here it is with a 28-inch Samsung television screen, and you can see there's the wires easily string outside of the house here through this little door. So it was very easy to connect to the cameras. And then come back in to connect to the power block and to the DVR. Each of these spools of wires is 60 feet, so it's quite a distance. So I have everything connected, all the cameras are installed, and everything's plugged in. As you can see on the back, there's the power, Ethernet, HDMI, the little mouse, the four cameras all connected, and right here on the side there's a power switch, so we'll turn it on. You can see it's powering up. The TV has registered that it's connected. There we are. The part that took the longest was actually just getting the cameras set up, running the wire out to them. Once they're connected to the DVR, it just works. The image is fantastic. It's very easy to click from one camera to the other. You right click and you get to see all the different settings within the DVR. There's a wizard that will help you get it configured initially. And actually setting it up doesn't take very long at all. It takes maybe 5-10 minutes to get your password set up, get the internet set up. I actually didn't have a router nearby, so I connected a power line, D-Link power line, to my router. One box connects there, another box connected near my DVR, and I plugged it in. It worked just great. The internet signal is carried through my house wiring right to my DVR, and it was fantastic. As you'll see later when I show you the app that's carried through the internet. So you'll find settings within the camera for setting up motion sensitive areas. Very easy to do for each camera. So go through the different settings. Pay particular attention to the password screen, so where you set up your admin password. Take your time, make sure that you use something that you will remember. Set up the security questions, set up the GUID. In the manual it's very clearly explained, so just follow the directions and you'll have no problems, and because you never know if you want to set it up someplace else later on or access some of the settings that require you to know your password. So just telling you right now, take your time. After setting up the DVR, set up your app. It's the Defender 24/7 app. It's available in iOS and Android. It's easy to use, intuitive, easy to set up. You'll be able to see all of your cameras. You'll be able to zoom in. With the 4K cameras, the image is really clear even when you zoom in. It's very convenient, especially when you're away from your home. You can just look on your mobile device, you'll see what's happening around your property, and if anything does happen that you want a record of, it will be safely stored on the 1 terabyte DVR. It's a great system. The image is fantastic. Once it's set up, it works really well. To learn more, read my full review on the Best Buy blog.